Hey guys, so I have a special surprise. It's not really much of a surprise. I had another Stitch box, but here's the difference. I opened the box already. So, came in this box. You know how to open a box. Let's get to the video. First thing that came in this box was these pairs of pants. These pants, man, they're green. And they look so good with the olive color. I'm a little bit afraid of buying pants online because they never fit the right way. So we'll try these on and see how they fit. Then we have here this nice little top, and it's a light gray. I'll give you the prices too. It's actually pretty cute. Let's say. My box also came with this cute little dress. It's like a floral shape. Not floral shape, floral design. It's actually really cute. And it looks really cute. I'm surprised. Like, they outdo me with these dresses. Like, seriously. So, I can't wait to try this on. Then I got a blazer. A blazer. I might actually try the blazer on right now. I don't see why not. Oh, it's actually pretty cute, huh? That's what the blazer looks like. If you can see it. I doubt you can. Wow, this is cute. I'm not really much of a fan of blazers. Well, I am, but oh, this is so cute. I like this blazer. I just had a whole epiphany just now, like just changing my whole wardrobe up and getting blazers for everything. A blazer for every outfit. Like, this is crazy. Like, this looks great. I would have never thought. Where do you get these from? Like, from the store? Which store do you go to get these? This is really cute. Okay. I literally should have just left the blazer on. What's the point of taking it off? Okay. This is cute. Yes, it fits perfectly. It's a navy in a size medium, of course. And last but not least, the box came with a little jewel that I did not open just yet. It's like Christmas all over again. Okay. Ta-da! It's like a cute little bag. It's so cute. And it's... Oh, let me show you the bag. This is the front. And this is the bag. Let's open this bad boy up. And it's pink on the inside. It has two pockets, well, one pocket, one very big pocket. And then it comes with a strap, shoulder strap. Wow, it's real cute. I just pictured myself walking down the streets where it's like a little bit cold and there's a little snow on the ground. There's glass windows, you know, on the side, like little shopping stores with their lights and their displays. And I had on some nice pumps with some nice jeans, and I had this bag and this blazer on. Oh my gosh. The life, what it could be. I'm gonna try the clothes on now. This is the outfit. Well, this is a shirt that the box came with. It's casual. It's cute. You know, it's not really much of like. I mean, it is cute. I'm not, I'm not knocking it or anything. It's just. It's just like, yeah. Let's try this with the blazer. I actually should have tried the pants on too with it. Might as well have. It's literally just the full outfit. I'm gonna try the pants on. Guys, so the pants fit. They fit. Like, and they stretch. They actually fit. I want you to see what the bottom of the pants look like. They actually fit. That's crazy. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. But anyways, they're soft. These pants are so soft. They're comfortable. They stretch. You know, they actually fit. This is the whole, like, this is basically all the stuff that was fit in the box. Like, howdy. So yes, this is everything that was fit in the box, and I just gotta try on the dress. The top. I'm not so crazy about the top, but I love the blazer and I love the pants. I love the bag. The bag is cute. The top, not so much. I mean, it is cute, but not so crazy. I'm gonna try on a dress. And last but not least, this is the dress that I love so ever so dearly. Love this dress. It comes right up to the knees. Wow. They destroy it with these dresses, man. They really be destroying it. Bam, 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 bow, 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 bow. Yes, I love this dress. And that's all. So, basically, based off of my stitch, I would say that I love these dresses so much. Like, they're so nice. I love the outfit. I love the pants. Love the blazer. Don't really feel too drawn toward the top though. And I'm gonna give you the prices right now. No, I don't think that's the price. This is the price. Okay, so the bag that you saw was $48. 48. The pullover, the light gray one, this one, the top, this was 44. The pants, honey, the pants, they were $78. Okay, which I don't really blame them because it's a really good pair of pants. $48 for this dress and $68 for the blazer that I love so ever so dearly. The whole box would come out to $286, But if you buy everything, they give you a 25% discount, and that's $71.50. So the box would come out to $214.50. But don't forget also that you have to pay for tax. So tax is included when you check out online, and that's gonna change the price. So instead of it being like $214, it might be like $230 or something like that. So just remember that. And other than that, this was a great box. I love the box. I'm actually getting ready to go to work right now. Um, the joy of waking up early. You could make all your videos and do what you need to do. I wake up early. My food is already made for lunch. All I gotta do is go to the kitchen, grab everything, and leave. So, I mean, I'm here talking to you guys right now. And I think I'm gonna keep this dress on. If I could find something to put on over it. But anyways, see ya.